You guys absolutely love Airsoft, so let's check out this week's best Airsoft fails and best moments. I'm sorry, little one. Oh, they're about to get leveled. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, he got the transit. That's when you know the Airsofters are real. They actually work on their transitions and
I'm sorry, little one.
Oh, he didn't call it.
Sorry, you didn't call your shot, man.
Yo, this kid is just like, you didn't hit me, stupid head. And the guy's like, okay, back. And the kid's like, ah. He's just laughing about diming up a kid. Oh, my boy is extra super f***ed up, bro. Look at his eye. What kind of FPS does this? It's deep in his eye. Oh, Mr. Editor, you for sure gonna have to blur this, but God.
Come on, push it. Don't spare me.
Push it.
Do not spare me. No, 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 no. Oh, my God. Shut out, dude. That dude's a thug. He just said, la, 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 I feel nothing.
For the motherland.
For the motherland. Get it, brother.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, that was in his... That Blaster 3000. Okay, that does not sound good. Don't ever bring that to an Airsoft match if I'm there. I'll you up. I will use the Blaster 3000 on you, okay? You might love it. I won't. Boy is down right here, and he's going to get that Blaster 5000. Ah! Fucking grenade right on his booty. Oh, he's down for the count. Oh, my God. Actually, he's in, like, legit pain.
That's the Ass Blaster 3000.
Ooh, grenade fail. Dude! The setup and everything. They all day!
Who threw that? That was you?
Who threw that? And he was like, it was he. Guy's like, bro, what the f? They're all like dialed up on the door. It's looking sexy. Then he's like, hey, let me f up. No, it's this fucking guy.
Who threw that?
It was this dude?
That was you?
Huge thank you to today's sponsor, Bucked Up. You don't give up, neither should your energy shot. Buckshot is built from the ground up with one frame in mind. Building an energy shot that can hammer out as many hours of work as you have already punched in. An energy shot that delivers quality, focus, and clean energy. So once again, a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Bucked Up. Click the link in the description below to get your Buckshot today. I wonder if these are real nods or fake nods. I got nods. I know some people be airsofting with real nods. You're insane. One bad fall. You what? Like $5,000. Oh my Lord. Oh, we got the hot grenade. Oh, damn.
Part 2.
Let me try one more time. Oh, pop them up. Okay, get him out the face. Let's go. What kind of get thrown like a dude? You gotta shoot some Kobe type shit. Run, 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 run. Oh, give. Oh, leave him. Damn. Yo, he eating shit. That's a bad day right there. Damn, he said, you know what? Let me totally wreck this guy's life. Knee gets in the door and he eats shit. What is that?
What the fuck is that?
Hey, brother, this is the wrong airsoft gun. Why is that a knife on it? I love it. I love the craziness, bro. They got bayonets on their airsoft guns now. Jungle Warfare. He gonna cut you. Yo, kill this. Oh, my. Bro, he's like, yeah. It was life or death. When all the Asians are on the same team in a Vietnam War event.
My fellow yellows, Vietnam undefeated!
My fellow yellows!
Vietnam undefeated!
We're gonna take back our rice! I love this, bro. The airsoft with the cosplay blend. Beautiful. Are they actually speaking like Vietnamese?
Settle down!
Yo! No! Oh, he gone. He dead. What? Whoa! Oh, there's actual wasp in there. Bro, I thought that was a giant spider. It freaked me out. They were totally doing great. This dude kicked it in like a boss. This dude... He's like, hey, let me throw this grenade in your asshole. Mag dump of the year. Mag dump of the year? Okay, let me see it. Mag dump it. Let's go. I would have to agree this is the mag dump of the year. His not working. He's like...
Okay, I'll take it.
That's some good sportsmanship. That dude was cool with it too. Critical headshots. Okay. Oh, wrong head. Oh, that guy hates you. Do you gotta wear like a guard, like a cup guard now when you go play airsoft? The fear of getting shot in the penis hole? Airsoft cheater runs into a tree. Yo, please. He's a
I lit him up.
big orange thing.
Up.
Damn. Launched, bro. This like some real good Milsim type right here. American Milsim Airsoft team in CQB. We have an airsoft team?
Whoa. Watch your right.
What the f is this?
Wait, what? I got the right. Go. I got it. Go.
Oh my God, this is like real war. They got all like near matching kit. I'm pretty sure one of them has nods on. This dude looks like every Navy SEAL you've ever seen in your whole life.
I'm very aroused right now.
I too am aroused.
I'm starting to swell up.
And it's so the typical not airsoft. Because in a firefight, you're like, let's shoot, but let's go. These dudes are like, we're watching, but get the go, move. Oh, he's got the grenade launcher. 100 yards away. What is this? This looks like it makes concrete, dude.
With tag-in pecker round versus
A peck around.
dumpster.
Is this gonna destroy the dumpster? Yep. Of all the airsoft things, that's like the worst one. Tactical slide. It did not go well. You got this, brother. Sail. Damn, Annie out.
That was sick as shit. I got that all on cam.
First of all, that was some Paul Blart mall slide, bro. And the dude got him out. He's hyping him up and The guy slid. He's like... Airsoft bang bang fail. Bang bang, the gun's not even pointing at you. Bang bang your knee off. Oh, is that the fail? Lame. Dude, learn how to fucking bang bang better, dude. Shit.
Biggest piece of dog shit.
What is this? iPro saved my eye, but not my eyebrow. Before we continue, if you guys want me to react to all of the near-death fails, airsoft, military fails, all the etc., when you guys post, go ahead and put hashtag near-death, airsoft fail, military fail, whether it's on TikTok or Instagram Reels, just go ahead and use the hashtag, and we just might see the reaction here on the channel. I was toxic today. Ooh.
It's never the front player's fault. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you.
Damn, is that true or is that false? What the is that? Y'all insane. Y'all rocking the FCPCs too. These are like $500 plate carriers. I love it. But are you running around in actual plates though? If you have a $500 plate carrier but not real plates, you're wrong. Oh, he moving though. Damn. Yo, he's literally waxing everybody. Did the other people in the not hear them saying hit and they're like, we might have a fucking intruder in this. Dude, look at this shit. This is realistic as hell. Bro, they like actually in this and they got a mortar tube there too. Bro, get the fucking mortar tube right and go. Get that shit up. That's pretty dope. So they're like simulating mortar fire or they're actually doing it, which is hot. God damn, they really be going all out. Airsoft mortar, there's no way. Bro, this is that mortar or is this real? Are they actually letting airsoft people do this shit? This is like real life military training right now. This amputee dumped a squad of enemies behind a wall, like a real life amputee. This boy hopping. He ain't got no legs, but he moving. Potato John Wick, baby. Let's go. Yes. I could barely stand on one foot. What the f*** you out here murdering enemy and shit? He dropped the grenade. Oh, God. Yikes. No.
Oh, what a save.
Did they save him?
That was legendary, man.
Where the f*** did they throw it? Oh, they're trying to throw it into the... Woo! Yo! It's Jason Bourne. Airsoft pistol. That ain't no f***ing airsoft pistol. What? No, no, I see that, bro. I'm running to my car to get my real gun. Bro, if you hear or see this while you're out airsofting and it doesn't make you go, what the f*** was that? You have no sense of security, bro. Yo, this airsoft RPG, God, that shit looking thick, bro. Oh, God Christ. What the f***? Bro, airsoft, y'all getting too crazy. No. I'm surprised there's not more airsoft injury videos out there for me to react to, bro. This is insane. Oh, they just yeeted the air.
Whoa. That was cool.
Okay, imagine if that hits your face. Whoa! Whoa! Was that the grenade? Another one? We gotta slow the f down. Did they just back-to-back toss grenades out the... Bro, that shit's in... They were like... Yo, these are some savage plays, dude. Hey. Oh, that was like on the guy. These are like the best grenade tosses I've ever seen. No. What a fucking stud! Holy shit! Bro, some of this is like some real life athleticism. What the fuck? What? He just shot a grenade and they just caught it on camera nailing this dude in the head. Oh, that's getting hit by a golf ball. That was crazy. Don't wear this in airsoft. Watch your face, please, sir. Oh. He's like, ooh. Okay. Throw the frag in a stairwell. Oh.
Corbin.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Corbin.
What just happened? You could tell there's terror in his voice. He shot the one dude in the face, and the other buddy was like, oh, there's definitely in the stairwell. Yeet. And then they got by that grenade.
He had like prescription glass.
Oh,
and it blew the lens
the
out of
BB
one,
shot
so
through
that
the
eye
lens,
bruised,
and then the
like,
grenade
his
like
ear was
them
bleeding.
up. It went like back through his eyes or some Don't be this guy. So he wore these goggles, and that's just a pink broke, and then I guess the grenade went over and f***ed his eyes after. Shit, son.